Hi friends, welcome to our channel Chem Achievers. I am Pranesh. Today I am discussing about two important name reaction related to pericyclic reaction. Okay, this as well as you can say that is sigmatropic type rearrangement. This is very good to important name reactions. Okay, first one is Allen-Claisen rearrangement and another is Obermann rearrangement. I will discuss that this rearrangement as well as Obermann rearrangement. In this way, I will also discuss two important example came to see a previous CSIR exam. So you can see here. Okay. Claisen rearrangement. Okay. It is go through 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement way. Okay, first you can see here this type of allylic ester we can take here. Okay, see, then we use LDA as a base and then this protecting agent trimethyl silyl chloride. In this base in this LDA function is it take the proton and that will come and that will take this one Me3SiCl. Okay, it will come and it will remove, and this is the second step. Okay, in this case what happened, you also see what happened in this case. Here here internally 3,3 sigmatropic will here internally 3,3 sigmatropic will happen. Here it will come and it will break. Okay, see, this is the one of the product. So then it is intermediate. Again this is intermediate product and it will cleave by any hydrolysis H plus presence and it will give this acid. So here you take ester and bond is migrating and this type of alkene containing acid will form. So this is one of the important example of Allen-Claisen rearrangement, and this is this way. Now I will give the stereochemistry and I will write the stereochemistry about this reaction. Okay, here you can see I will explain the little bit about the stereochemistry of Allen-Claisen rearrangement. See, here previously we take this type of moiety. First step, previously there LDA is taken. I directly take this type of silyl protected group and in situ it will participate this rearrangement in heating condition, and see, this is the transition state actually. This type of 6-member transition state is always responsible for occurring Claisen rearrangement. Okay, you always go to this type of cyclic transition state. In previously GATE some questions are there, they are giving different type of chair form, boot form. So this form also this form should participate in Claisen rearrangement, only this type of form. Okay, this chair form is responsible for participating Claisen rearrangement. See, here this is trans, no, this both group. So here both group are trans. Okay, you can see wherever the stereochemistry is there, this orientation is there, it will come is there, it is always trans. If you taken cis, so it become cis. So I will give another transition state. Hi friends, here you can see I took another example of Allen-Claisen. Here I took, this is a cis form, as this R group is different like that previously, and this is the transition state and this is the product. Only this example showing the only stereochemistry. Here you took cis and this is cis. So whatever the starting material arrangement is there, and that final starting final product also arrangement is same. So this is the on the simplest way I explain the explained this Allen-Claisen. Now I will go through example. You can little bit understand by these examples. Here I will explain another example of example, not an example, it is one of the question which came to 2015 June exam, 2015 December exam. Here I wrote June, but it is a December only. So this type of question again repeated every time, because this same concept they will repeat. Here one is a double bond is there. So see what happened here. Here they took one alcohol this type of alcohol, one methyl group is there, this type of man. And I previously told that this allylic alcoholic type molecule participate, okay, and they will take this type of what is this called, this is acetyl type compound, this is called acetyl type compound, and heating, and this is the product. So why I am discussing this example, because every time when they asking this type of stereochemical example, okay, why this first step is there, here alcohol is there na, so alcohol moiety in this presence O, then it will what will CH3, this hydrogen, and OET thrice will come, okay. So this will participate, huh? Then what happened? Heating condition, in this heating condition one balloon remove. So what happened? Then what happened? So this will form, and that this double bond is there, this carbon oxygen is there, then this C, then OET, then OET is there, CH2, then this CH2 will attack there, that will come and that will go there, okay. So this is the final product. Why I stress this example, because whatever the stereochemistry of OH group, that will remain constant in this position. What I am saying, whatever the stereochemistry of OH group which became esterification through this way and participating in rearrangement, and this is called, this same stereochemistry is there, that's why they are asking this question, okay. This stereochemistry and this stereochemistry remain same. Now whatever the mechanism, you also check your book, but this way mechanism will form. So you have to understand one of the most important example of Ireland Claisen. Now I will give another example. Hi friends, this question came to 2016 December. Previous question came 2015 December. Now this question came 2016 December. Again another questions are there. You also check, it is came 2017 December. So this name reaction every time is coming in December month as my perspective, okay. So here you can say they given one unknown material and they give the product by this way, they will get the product. So what is the starting material, they will ask, and this is simple question. Here you will see this stereochemistry, previously I told this stereochemistry is up na. So what will be the product? Maybe this product will come from some alcohol group, because this is esterification reagent, this acetal is a esterification reagent. So what will be the product? This product they are given option, so you just directly wrote that what will be the product. Here is double bond, here OH is there, and this, so this will be the product. Because I told that this OH will form ester by this, and then in heating condition it migrated at via same stereochemistry, and this will be the product. So here is the simple example, it gave 4 marks, okay. Now I little bit conclude in this Ireland Claisen. Now I will give another example, okay. Hi friends, here one of the simple example of Obermann rearrangement. Obermann rearrangement came from one scientist Obermann. He developed this kind of name reaction. So here you see, here is same previous like this double bond and allylic alcohol type is there. They use potassium hydrate and this trichloroacetonitrile, okay. This is called trichloroacetonitrile, and ether solvent 0 to 23 degrees C. And this will happen. What happened? Previously this potassium hydride will take this proton, and that proton will attack what? This Cl3 and this Cn, okay. That will come here directly. They will cyanide group, they will attack. You will see na, the cyanide group, not this group. So this cyanide group attack is there. So what will be the product? This will be the product. See, this is cyanide group carbon and Cl3 is there. Then in xylene and reflux, means in heating condition, it will from that. What will be the form? Then it will come there, it will go there, and it will go. So this is the product. Okay, again what is the purpose? Again, if you have a hydrolyze and clip this bond, and then amine will come. So that's why this reaction is using simple shifting of a N group from this reagent, and this will give this, what will be the product, pH, and then NH2, then Na. So this will be the product, this will clip. So this is one of the most important example of Obermann rearrangement. This way, if you see this potassium hydride, this trichloroacetonitrile, this way you can easily identify the reaction. Okay, so so now I conclude these two types of reaction here. In this above series of lectures, I already discussed about Diels-Alder in reaction and different type of Diels-Alder reaction and this NIM reaction. It is very important. If you have any doubt regarding in this lecture series, you have to comment our box, or also send our some doubt in our Facebook page. That is very important. If you want to include some other lecture series, so you have to tell us from what we will need it. So pericyclic reaction, I concluded this Diels-Alder and sigmatropic type. There are many others is there, like electrocyclic. I will give another type of lecture with this electrocyclic reaction. So now a little bit conclude, and I will go to another way. If electrocyclic reactions, I will give some example reference videos. So stay tuned with our channel and subscribe our channel, and best of luck all of you.